Combat is not pretty. That's whether you're in active military or the reserves. The issue, though, is that you can get injured, right? Something might blow off an arm, blow off a leg, and you're going to be living on disability for the rest of your life. But if that happens, are you supposed to be charged for those services? Disability and other veterans type services are supposed to be arranged for you for free, but you've got shysters out there who are conning people out of thousands and thousands of dollars saying, yeah, we'll take care of your veteran services for you, including disability, if you pay X amount of dollars. You got to stop that. At the Financial Management for Deployed Military Workshop, we help you understand your rights and the laws and protections that are there so that you don't fall victim to those types of scams. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.